This time every year comes the end of another wrestling season in the Moran household. That's why this week, I want to talk about the wrestler. As I've shared in the past, myself and a few other dedicated dads in town coach our youth wrestling program. It's an honor to watch these kids make the progress they make season after season. It's an honor to see these kids reach the limits that they didn't think they could achieve. A lot of wrestling actually applies to business. And there's 3 takeaways from this season that really jumped out at me: coaching, winning, and losing. While many wrestlers and many in business have just that raw talent, that skill, that ability to move forward without a lot of effort, to reach that next level of greatness requires you to have a supportive system that can help you make the progress necessary to reach and achieve your goals. We see it week in and week out with our kids in the wrestling room, and I see it week in and week out in business. The importance of having a trusted coach that can help you achieve your goals. Winning. In wrestling and in any sport, focus, commitment, and support, they're all required. In business, the same is true. You have to search for partners that can help you remain focused, stay committed, and have the support there for you to drive a winning business. And losing, the reality is you're going to lose at some point during your business. Not permanently, not terminally, but you've got to be able to react. You can't give up. You have to realize that when you're in business, just like any competitive sport, you've got to push yourself to reach the next level. So as you think about your business, think about the partnership that Flex brings to you through our Business Accelerator, through Flex Solutions Exchange, and all the subject matter experts here at the firm, waiting to help you build a winning recipe for the future. As always, thank you and have a great weekend.